these
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Michigan counties: Calhoun, Eton, Ionia, Mecosta, Montcalm, and Osceola, effective until tomorrow at 11 minutes past midnight. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County, in south-central Michigan, Ionia County, in south-central Michigan, Osceola County in central Michigan, Eton County, in south-central Michigan, Mecosta County in central Michigan, Montcalm County in central Michigan. Until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kokomish to near Reed City to near Rockford to Middleville to Portage, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ionia, Big Rapids, Charlotte, Albion, Greenville, Marshall, Belding, Battle Creek, Portland, Everett, Stanton, Reed City, Lake Odessa, Howard City, Homer, Saranac, Bellevue, Edmore, Lakeview, Marion. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.